Join me as I put different protectors to the test to see which one really is the best for my 6-inch monitor. As a tech enthusiast, I've had my fair share of monitor mishaps, and I quickly realized that protecting my 6-inch monitor is crucial to prolonging its lifespan. A good protection solution can make all the difference between a scratch-free screen and a costly repair or replacement. One of the most common issues I face with my 6-inch monitor is scratches. A simple slip of the hand or a misplaced object can leave unsightly marks on the screen. And it's not just scratches, dust and dirt can also accumulate on the screen, making it difficult to see. Not to mention the horror of accidental drops. A single drop can shatter the screen or damage the internal components. Users often complain about the fragility of their 6-inch monitors, and it's easy to see why. A single drop can cause irreparable damage, and the costs of repairing or replacing the monitor can be steep. That's why it's essential to invest in a reliable protection solution that can withstand daily wear and tear. Dust and dirt can also seep into the monitor's crevices, causing issues with the display or even the internal components. This can lead to a range of problems, from distorted images to complete monitor failure. It's a nightmare scenario that can be avoided with the right protection. So, what can you do to protect your 6-inch monitor? There are several options available in the market, including screen protectors, cases, and storage solutions. Screen protectors can provide an extra layer of protection against scratches and dust, while cases can shield the monitor from accidental drops and bumps. Cases come in different shapes and sizes, and some even offer additional features like built-in stands or carrying handles. Storage solutions, on the other hand, can provide a safe and secure way to store your monitor when not in use. Some popular options include monitor cases with foam inserts or protective pouches. When it comes to screen protectors, there are many types to choose from, including tempered glass, plastic, and film protectors. Each has its pros and cons, and some offer additional features like anti-glare or anti-fingerprint coatings. Some users swear by storage solutions, citing their convenience and peace of mind. By storing your monitor in a protective case or pouch, you can ensure it's safe from damage and dust. After putting different protection options to the test, I'm excited to share with you my top pick for the best protection solution for your 6-inch monitor. And the winner is a tempered glass screen protector. This protector offers excellent scratch resistance, clarity, and durability, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to safeguard their monitor. This protector is also incredibly easy to install, and its thin design won't interfere with the monitor's functionality. Plus, it's affordable and widely available, making it an excellent value for money. One of the key benefits of this protector is its ability to withstand heavy use. I've put it through its paces, and it's come out unscathed. Whether you're a busy professional or a gamer, this protector has got you covered. In conclusion, protecting your 6-inch monitor is crucial to prolonging its lifespan. By investing in a reliable protection solution, you can avoid costly repairs or replacements and ensure your monitor continues to perform at its best. If you've had any experiences with monitor protection, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. And if you're interested in more tech tips and reviews, be sure to check out my other videos. Robust protection. The sturdy metal cage provides comprehensive protection for your 6-inch monitor, safeguarding against accidental bumps and scratches in demanding environments. Designed for rapid and simple attachment to various mounts, tripods, or handheld stabilizers, the cage enhances on-site operational flexibility. Multiple attachment points, featuring multiple standard screw holes around the cage, it supports a wide range of third-party accessories such as microphones, LED lights, and battery plates, catering to diverse shooting scenarios. The modular design allows for easy addition or removal of accessories, enabling you to tailor configurations according to specific project needs, optimizing workflow efficiency. Secure connections. The cage not only reinforces the monitor's structural integrity but also ensures all cables are securely fastened, preventing loosening or disconnection due to vibrations or external factors. Strategically placed ventilation ports, combined with the monitor's active cooling system, further enhance long-term stability and reliability. All-in-one professional solution. This monitor with a cage integrates ultra-bright display, professional monitoring tools, customizable color grading, and extensive connectivity options into one package, making it ideal for both on-set and post-production workflows. Cost and time savings. Purchasing the monitor with a cage eliminates the need for additional protective gear or accessories, saving costs and simplifying setup, so you can dive straight into your creative work.